Carrie Cutler here, author of Math Positive Mindsets, Growing a Child's Mind Without Losing Yours. And I'm here with my 3rd grade son, McGregor, who's sunburned. He wants to show you he went to the beach yesterday since they opened up some of our beaches in Texas. And ouch, right?
Oh, I don't do that.
We called it a science field trip where we realized that the sun is a powerful source of energy.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to practice multiplication today with McGregor. It's important for kids to develop fluency with multiplication facts, and you can do it in lots of fun ways. You don't have to take a timed test or do a whole bunch of worksheets or practice it rote. You can play games, and it's really fun, huh? So this is a 10 frame, and the kids that have been using these since kindergarten or even preschool, so they'll be familiar with them even if you're not. It's basically a 5x2 grid, and it has dots on it, so this would represent the number 4. And so what McGregor and I are going to do is we're both going to turn over 2. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We'll multiply them, and then we'll see who has the larger product. 2, 1, go!
49. Wait.
I got 4 times 3.
56.
Oh, we're not doing place value. Oh, wait. You got 8 times 7. 56?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I got 12. So who has the larger product?
Me.
Okay, so you get to put those
Give
in
me
your
all
gun
your
file.
things.
Let's do another one. Because
Yeah.
I know I can get better than that.
3, 2, 1, go.
I got 5 times 4 is 20.
And 4 times 2 is 8.
Oh, man. I got the higher product that time.
Wow.
Woo, one more.
3, 2, 1, go.
5 times 2 is 10 for me.
This is 7. 7 times 6 is 42.
Which is larger, 42 or 10?
42.
Woo! You get it. Okay, so as you can see, it is fun to practice multiplication when you make it fun. There's all sorts of ways to do it. If you don't want to print these out from the internet, though, there's a link to it on my website, carriecutler.com. Easy to print these out. You can also use just playing cards. Just turn over 2 playing cards and multiply those. Take out the face cards, and it's a lot of fun, isn't it?
Okay.
I hope you're having a good time building math positive mindsets with your kids. Thanks.